Assalamu alaikum, my name is Usama Ishaq and you are watching Solo Spark YouTube channel. Today in this video we are implementing the camera movement and the forward movement to our player. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a forward movement script for our player. Forward movement and attach it to our player and just open it. Okay, so we just want to continuously move our player forward. So first of all, let's create a variable for control the speed, private float, name it move speed, and here we write transform the translate in vector 3 dot forward direction and multiply by move speed, also with time dot delta time for independent movement. That's it. Let's save the script and go back to the Unity. Okay, after compiling, and I will put like 1 and run our game. Okay, you can see our bottle move forward, but it's too slow, so I will increase it 3 or 4. Okay, 4 is good, or I think 5. Okay, it's 5. So now let's create the camera forward script. Right click, create C# script, name it camera controller, and attach it with our camera and double click and open. So in this script, first of all, we're gonna create a variable for our player, name it like targets, that's gonna be our player, and then an offset like private vector 3 offset. The offset will be responsible for our camera position, like now it's 3.3 and -10, so we will put that value to our offset. Okay, and then in the late update, not update, if we put it in the update, so it might be jittering. So in the late update we write 3 target position is equals to our target dot transform dot position plus offset, and then we're gonna write transform dot position is equals to vector 3 dot smooth damp, not lerp. Smooth damp is much better than lerp for camera follow, and there we will pass our current position. This will be transform dot position, and our target position, that will be target pose, and need a vector 3 velocity variable, so we're gonna create here private vector 3 velocity equals to, for now we just give it vector 3.0, and here we put ref keyword and our velocity, and after that the duration and the smooth time, and we will also create a variable for that, serialized fields, private float, follow speed I think, and pass it here follow speed. Just that's it. Open the Unity, and here in our camera just pass our player as a target game object and gave it a offset like 3.3 and -10, and the follow speed might be 0.35 I think. Now let's play the game. Alright, you can see our camera follows our player perfectly. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.